Welcome aboard. I know what you're thinking. You're not really there. That's not a real cruise ship. And you might be correct. But my wife Brandy and I have been on a few cruises, and today we're gonna talk about 6 reasons why you might actually enjoy one. Expect some questionable opinions and definitely a lot of complaining about seasickness. Just kidding.
Feel like crap today.
Mostly. But hey, this is currently the closest we could get to the high seas on a budget. Well, we might as well get this party started. In no particular order because, well, I forgot to rank them. Let's get started with the first reason why you should book a cruise. Reason number 1, a world of exploration. Yeah, you hear me. Cruises aren't just about sitting on the beach. Though that's a perfectly valid vacation strategy. You can snorkel with sea turtles, zip line through the jungle, hike to breathtaking waterfalls, and even go scuba diving with large fish. Okay, maybe not sharks, but you get the idea. Based on our luck, you'll see more underwater dust bunnies than actual marine life. And the ship itself, a treasure trove of discovery. You might find a secret lounge, which probably just means it's the smoking section. You never know what you'll find. A hidden bar. Maybe even a midnight buffet you didn't know existed. Many cruise lines have their own private islands with incredible amenities. Some even with water parks and thrill rides. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to try that rock climbing wall that they have on the ship? It's like a constant mini vacation within a vacation. Reason number 2, multiple destinations, one trip. Forget the hassle of booking multiple flights and accommodations. With a cruise, you can visit multiple destinations in a single trip. Want to experience the vibrant culture of Mexico, the stunning beaches of the Caribbean, and the history of Central America? A cruise can make it happen. It's like a travel buffet, and you get to sample a little bit of everything. Want a taste of different cultures? Sure, if that taste is limited to tourist traps and overpriced souvenirs, it's efficient, I'll give it that. Like a travel sampler platter. Of course, you want to get the full experience of each place, but if you leave the port, it can be a fantastic way to get a taste of different cultures and decide where you want to explore further in the future. Number 3, entertainment overload. Cruise ships are basically floating entertainment complexes. From Broadway-style shows and live music to casinos, swimming pools, and even ice skating rinks. Yeah, you heard me. There's always something to do. They even have those daily planners that list every single activity. The daily planner is basically a to-do list that you'll never complete. It's a list of everything from beer tastings to dance classes. You can spend a week on a cruise and still find new things to do. There's so much to do that you might actually need a vacation from your vacation. It's like a choose your own adventure book, but with a pool and a buffet. You can spend a week on a cruise ship and never get bored. Want to catch a game at the sports bar? Maybe treat yourself to a spa day or take a look at the onboard shopping. Watch a movie under the stars. Enjoy a beer, wine, or whiskey tasting? Play a round of mini golf. How about a roller coaster? Zip line with an ocean view? What? Hit the dance club? Live music all day long. Seriously, the list goes on and on. So much entertainment that you could miss out if you didn't look at your daily planner. Some cruise ships offer more activities than others, but most of the newer ships today have so much to offer that you shouldn't find yourself bored. You'll be too busy trying to find your room. Which way's forward? Number 4, dining delights. Cruise ships offer a diverse selection of dining options, from casual buffets to fine dining restaurants. And let's not forget the themed bars. Imagine sipping a cocktail while enjoying the sunset on the open ocean. It's fantastic. Plus, you can even learn to make your own cocktails at some of the onboard mixology classes. I think they have those. And if they don't, they should get them. Of course, this stuff will cost you a little extra, but the experience you get on some of these ships is truly one of a kind. Eating outside on an outer deck, sailing through the blue Caribbean waters while the sun sets. Doesn't get any better than that. Reason number 5, the sea of possibilities and people. Cruises are a fantastic way to meet new people. You're surrounded by fellow travelers from all over the world, sharing common interests and experiences. Plus, the communal atmosphere makes it easy to strike up conversations. Probably because we all know that if this ship goes down, we're in it together. Nothing bonds strangers like the unspoken agreement to not reenact the Titanic. Not that I'll be participating in any of these conversations with strangers, but there are a lot of people on this floating resort. You never know who you might meet. You'll meet some characters. Some memorable, some you'll actively try to forget. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good story about that wild character that they met on their cruise? Reason number 6, seamless simplicity. Cruising is incredibly convenient. Your ship card is your key card and your payment card. Convenient until you lose it. It happens to me every cruise. Need to book an excursion? Use the cruise line app. Want to message your friends who are at the bar? The app has you covered. Get lost on the ship? No problem. Use the map on the app to find your way back. You can even mark the daily activities on the cruise line app. They make it easy for you on a cruise. It's like everything's taken care of, so you can just relax and enjoy the ride. Whoa! 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 Ah! And that was just 6 of our reasons to book a cruise. I'm sure there are more, but my brain seems to have turned to mush. Must be all this vitamin C. So let us know in the comments below if you have any other reasons why you enjoy cruising, or don't enjoy cruising. And if that's the case, watch our 6 reasons to book an all-inclusive resort video. Check out some of our other videos where we experience some cruising and all-inclusive resorts. We got some fun footage that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, tap the like, and we'll see you in the next one.